everyone. We are here to report our game coding and programming. The name of our game coding is 3x3 sliding puzzle, also known as the IT puzzle. The C++ code implements a simple command line version of the 3x3 sliding puzzle. It uses a std, vector, and to represent the puzzle board and allows the user to make moves until the puzzle is solved. Includes and setup. Include IOStream for input-output operations like quote and scene. Include vector to use the dynamic array structure. Std vector for the board. Include algorithm contains the std, find and std, random shuffle functions used for board manipulations. Include cstdlib contains the strand function. Include ctime contains the time function used to see the random number generator. Using namespace std avoids needing to write std before standard library event.
Display board function. Purpose. Prints the current state of the 3x3 puzzle board to the console. Implementation. It iterates through the 9 elements of the board vector. If an element is 0, it represents the empty tile and the function prints. Otherwise, it prints the tile's number. It uses if I plus 1 %3 equal to 0. Cout, leaf shift, end line. To start a new line after every 3 tiles, formatting the 3D vector in 3x3 grid.
Solve function. The solve function is defined as tiles 1 through it being in order, followed by the empty tile or 0. It loops from I equals 0 to I equals 7 and checks if board I equals I plus 1. It returns false immediately if any tile is out of the order. If the loop finishes, it checks one last condition. If the last element board or it is the empty tile. 0. If both conditions are met, it returns true.
Purpose. Execute a move by swapping the empty tile 0 with an adjacent tile based on their user input. Key logic. 1. Find the empty tile. 0 index is found using find to locate the 0 in the vector. 2. Determine position. The 1 ID index converted to 2D coordinates. Row equals 0 index 3, call 0 index %3. Calculate new index. It determines the new index to swap with based on the input moves. W, S, E, D for up, down, left, right. Important note, the movement logic in the code is implemented by assuming the user inputs W, S, E, D to move the tile next to the empty space into the empty space. However, the prompts ask for UDLR. In this code implements W up move to tile below the empty space up. S down move the tile above the empty space down. E left move the tile right of the empty space left. D right move the tile left of the empty space. Boundary check. It includes checks e.g. row 2 for W to ensure the move is valid and doesn't not go off the board. Perform swap. Swap board 0 index board new index move the adjacent tile into the empty spot.
Main function game loop. Initialization vector end board equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 0 creates the board is the solved state. Second, runtime. Sets the random number generator using the current time. Third, random board begin. Board and the board into a random solved starting configuration. Game loop. While I is solved board, the game continues until the puzzle is solved. Second, inside the loop. The current board is displayed. Second, the user is promoted for a move. Third, the user's input move is read. And the last, the move tile function is called to update the board state. And the last, game end. Once the loop condition is false, the board is solved, the final board is displayed, and congratulatory message is printed.